Time mark here, Friday, May the 22nd, 9:38 a.m. Eastern, 1:38 p.m. GMT. US session now well underway and going into the afternoon portion of the European session. Let's have a look at the US dollar's performance. US dollar hanging around over that 99 level, certainly still in an uptrend, looking bullish. This morning, all the way up to before the US session, 99.32 is our resistance. Got rejected at that level, and you can see it's been a tough level for buyers to maintain, to break above and maintain. Got pushed back down again. I've got support at 99.09. So small green candlestick for now. Still on the front foot US dollar. We'll see whether buyers can retest this resistance level and maintain above the 99, 99.30, or if sellers do step in and look down at the support sitting just above 99 at 99.09. Let's have a look at the majors, starting on the Euro US. And there you see strong downtrend, selling euro, buying US dollar strength, same as on the index. Today it was a red candlestick earlier, solid red. I've got resistance at 116.20. I've got support at 115.91, just under the 116 level. Buyers did step in though, buyers of euro, sellers of US. So strong US dollar to start, certainly. Still maintaining, that's the red candlestick, but a bounce up off this support, buyers of euro, sellers of US, so and sitting in the middle of that range for now. Sellers will look to retest below 116, that's dollar strength, a turnaround from dollar strength to weakness, would see buyers looking up at the 116 resistance level. Let's have a look at the pound against the US. There you see downtrend still in place, selling pound, buying US dollar strength, but certainly given up a lot of those gains. And this morning already in the US session, we're seeing a green candlestick that's buying pound, selling US. So the US has weakened against the pound. Buyers of pound, sellers of US will look up at resistance, 134.63, and support sitting at 134.13. US dollar strength would see this green turn to red. Sellers look to test the 134 or below. US dollar weakness would look at buyers of pound, sellers of US looking up at this resistance level. US dollar against the yen. US dollar trying to maintain the small green candlestick, demand for US against the yen, uptrend continuing, but struggling at this above 159, very tough level for buyers to break above. Sitting at that resistance level now, haven't been able to maintain above the 159 so far this week. We'll see if buyers are able to break, and maintain above the level, or if sellers step in, selling US, buying yen, and test the support below 159 at 158.97. Hanging on, but just for now, the US against the yen. Let's have a look at the US Canadian. US certainly maintaining this uptrend against a weak Canadian. I've got support at 137.73. I've got resistance at 138.06. That 138 level is the level buyers will be looking to maintain above that level, maybe even test higher, break above this resistance. If we get a turnaround here from strong to weak US dollar, we'll see sellers looking to step in at this 138 area, and a bounce down of resistance, looking back down at the 137.73 support level. So started strong, the US dollar, struggling to maintain now. We see it on the index and the majors where the euro pound are fighting back against the yen, still showing some strength, and certainly against the Canadian. But all resistance support levels are being tested right now. We'll see how it plays out during the rest of the US session. Good trading, and I'll see you at the end of day.